Today, we are continuing on the prejudice and inequality section. And primarily what we're going to do for this part is we're going to watch one of the famous experiments that happened in 1968, so late 60s. And Martin Luther King was just assassinated. And she thought it would be important to instill on a group of, in this case, all white children, what it meant. As she will explain, you can say things like, do you know what that would feel like in terms of being discriminated against? But you can't really understand that at all until you actually experience it. So here's her trying to, in very small part, make these, I think, third graders experience prejudice. So we're going to go, this copy has, I'm not sure if that's Korean or Chinese, what that is, but it has some hard-coded subtitles. But it's the version I could find on YouTube that is just shows the children. There's another version that's a lot longer that has the adults talking afterwards, but I don't think that's necessary. But it's really interesting. So what she's going to do is she is going to take this group of white third graders. Roughly half of them have blue eyes and half of them have brown eyes. So at first, she's going to say, the blue-eyed kids or the special kids are smart. Blue-eyed kids are better than brown-eyed kids, obviously. And blue-eyed kids, because they can be trusted, they get a little bit more time in recess. Brown-eyed kids, you can't really trust them. You kind of gotta maybe give them a little less time in recess because they might not come back as quickly. So you can't really allow them that freedom because they might take advantage of it and things like that. So she's gonna try and make the blue-eyed kids seem like they're better and the brown-eyed kids seem like they're dumb, worse, and can't be trusted. They're more likely to do bad things like that, and see how that makes those two groups act. And then she's going to flip it the next day and say, I was wrong. Actually, the brown-eyed kids are the good ones. They're the ones that are smart. The blue-eyed kids, those are the ones you got to watch out for. Blue-eyed kids, they're sneaky. You can't trust them. I mean, even if, and she'll go into that kind of thing and see how that works. We're going to see even just third graders, and they're third graders, but they got to know she's doing this on purpose. But even though it's just eyes, that's all she's doing. It's just saying one eye color is better than the other. But you'll see prejudicial slurs develop. They're going to call each other by their eye colors, and it's going to be this super insulting thing that wouldn't have cared before. But because this weight is put onto eye color, now you can call someone brown eyes or blue eyes. And now all of a sudden it's this super insulting term with all this weight to it. And you'll also see stereotype threat, which we talked about last time. Stereotype threat, you're going to see the worse eye color, depending on the day, do worse. She does these vocabulary exercises, and the worse eye color actually does the vocabulary exercises slower when they believe that they are the dumb ones. So, really fantastic experiment, and we will watch her do that.